Welcome to this Skill Builder at a Glance tutorial on one-way ANOVA. One-way ANOVA, or analysis of variance, helps us compare the means of 3 or more groups. It's like a t-test for more than 2 groups. We use it when we have a continuous outcome, our dependent variable, and a categorical independent variable, like group type or treatment condition. We use one-way ANOVA when we want to test if the mean of a continuous variable differs across 3 or more independent groups. For example, we might test whether blood pressure differs between 3 different age groups: young, middle-aged, and old. One-way ANOVA gives us an F value, which tells us how much variation exists between groups compared to within them. If the p-value is below 0.05, we reject the null hypothesis and conclude that at least one group mean is significantly different. For an ANOVA to be valid, there are a few assumptions to meet. Independence of observations. This means that each observation or data point must be independent. The groups themselves must also be independent of each other. For example, there must be different individuals in each group, with no individual being in more than one group. Equal variances, or homogeneity, meaning that each group must have roughly equal variance. In other words, an equal spread of scores around the mean in each sample. And the data in each group should be normally distributed. To summarise, a one-way ANOVA is used to compare the means of 3 or more groups when the dependent variable is continuous and the independent variable is categorical. It uses the F statistic and p-value to tell us if group differences are statistically significant. While this presentation is focused on one-way ANOVA, it's important to note that there are other types. For example, a two-way ANOVA examines the effects of 2 independent variables, while a repeated measures ANOVA is used when the same participants are tested under different conditions or at different times. These extensions allow for more complex research questions, but the fundamental principles of comparing group means remain the same. For further academic skills resources or to book an appointment with an SAS advisor, please go to kent.ac.uk/SAS or email us at sas@kent.ac.uk. Thank you.